Hi friends! Today I'm sharing with you one of Ghana's best authentic peanut butter or groundnut soup recipe served with omotuo, which is rice balls. Let's get into it. Start by prepping all your spices. So these are the spices I'm going to use to steam my meat. All the ingredients will be in the description box below. Cut these into smaller pieces if necessary and blend them until smooth. If you're new to this channel, please support my channel by subscribing. I upload videos every week. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. I know you will enjoy today's recipe. Please don't forget to like and comment. For this recipe, I'm using boneless beef. You can use any meat or fish of your choice with or without bones. Go ahead and add your blended spices with some salt and your favorite spice. Like in this case, I'm using beef bullion. To this, add about 1/3 cup of water to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix and add to your sauce. Rinse with some additional water and add. To this, add some fresh tomatoes and onion, cover and cook for 5 minutes. To the peanut butter, add 2 cups of warm water and mix. That is a brand of peanut butter I used. It is unsalted and smooth. I find that this is a lot easier with your hand than with a spoon. Strain the peanut mixed with water into the mixture. Rinse with a total of about 3 to 4 cups of water or as desired. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, blend the fresh tomatoes and onion and add to the mixture. Rinse with about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of water. Add to the mixture and cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Now, let's make our rice balls. To your rice, add some water to rinse. Cook this in 3 cups of water. Add some salt, stir, and cover. After 10 to 15 minutes or when the water has significantly gone down, check on the softness of your rice. Add more water and cook for about 7 minutes. I added 1/2 cup of water. Using a ladle, mash or crush your rice, just like you're mashing potatoes. When the rice is sticky and combined, mold it into your desired sizes. You can definitely cook this in a rice cooker. I'm just old school. When the soup is ready, the size will significantly reduce and there'll be some oil formed on top. This looks delicious. It smells amazing. The meat is nicely cooked. I could smell all the flavors. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. Let's go ahead and make ourselves a plate, shall we? You can serve this also over normal rice. You don't have to make these rice balls, and it's still delicious. It's still amazing. This soup can be very delicate, so remember to refrigerate the excess. If you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.